Today, we're talking about simple interest and compound interest. So, what is simple interest? Simple interest is calculated on the principal or original amount of loan. So, the formula for getting the simple interest is interest equals to principal times rate times time. Compound interest is calculated on the principal amount and also on the accumulated interest of previous periods and thus can be regarded as interest on interest. So the formula of getting the compound interest is amount equals to principal, open parenthesis, 1 plus rate, close parenthesis, to the power of time. But first, in solving our problem, we will be following the rules of PIMDAS. And now, let us try to solve the following problems. Alex won 3,000 from a video editing contest. If he put his money in a bank account that earns 2.9% interest compounded annually, how much total interest he earned in 10 years? This is the formula. Then, get the value of the principal, rate, time, and the value of n, where n stands for how it is compounded. So in this problem, it is compounded annually. And annually means once in a year, so the value of n is 1. Substitute and calculate the following by following the PEMDAS rule. So calculate what is inside the parenthesis first, and it equals to 1.029. Then multiply 1.029 by itself 10 times, and it equals to 1.330925548. In this case, I included all the decimal point to get the exact amount of loan. Then multiply 3,000 to 1.33092550483, and it equals to 3,992.77651448, or rounded up to 3,992.78. But this is the total compounded amount he earned in 10 years. To get the interest he earned in 10 years, just subtract the compounded amount to the principal invested. So the total interest he earned in 10 years is 992.78. Fritz took out a loan for 195,000 pesos to purchase a car at a 4.3 interest rate compounded annually. How much will be the loan in 5 years? So the formula of getting the compound interest is amount equals to principal, open parenthesis, 1 plus rate, close parenthesis, to the power of time. And now, get the value of the principal, rate, and time. And now, substitute the values. Then the first thing to do is calculate first that is inside the parenthesis, where 1 plus 0.043 is equals to 1.043. Then, multiply 1.043 by itself 5 times, and it equals to 1.234330281101. 195,000 times 1.23430231101 is equals to 240,688.950648, or 240,689. And this is the amount of loan in 5 years. Mark borrows 79,000 for 2 years and earned 10,017 simple interest. Now calculate the interest rate. This is the formula for calculating the interest rate. Now get the value of the principal, interest earned, and time. Substitute, then calculate first 79,000 times 2, and it equals to 158,000. Then divide 10,017 by 158,000, and it equals to 0.63. Convert 0.063 to percentage because it is asking for the interest rate. Just multiply 0.063 by 100 or just move the decimal point 2 times to the right and the interest rate should be 6.3%. Diane wants to open a showroom and borrows 48,000 on 12% interest rate. She plans to pay this after 4 years. What will be the principal plus interest she earned in 10 years? This is the formula. Then, get the value of the principal, rate, and time. Substitute, then multiply. And the answer should be 23,040. Add now, the principal is 48,000 plus the interest earned is 23,040 and it is equal to 71,040. I think there are no principal plus interest earned in 10 years because she is already planning to pay it in 4 years. If the interest earned was 55.20 on an investment on 230 that has rate of 3%, how long was the money invested? So the problem is asking how long was the money invested. So it is asking for the time, and this is the formula for getting the time. Now, get the value of the interest earned, principal, and rate. Substitute, then calculate first 230 times 0.3, and it equals to 6.9. Then divide 55.20 by 6.9, and it equals to 8. Don't forget that is asking for how long, then the unit should be year or years. So the final answer is 8 years. Find the principal for a loan that has an earned interest of 3,500 with the annual rate of 10% for 5 years. In this problem, we're finding the principal. So the formula we're going to be using is principal equals interest divided by rate times time. Next is we will be getting the value of the interest earned, rate, and time. So interest earned is equals to 3,500 with the rate of 10% and time of 5 years. And now, let us substitute the value where the 10% is converted into the decimal number which is 0.10. Add now, 0.10 times 5 is equals to 0.5. Then 3,500 is divided by 0.5 and equals to 7,000. So 7,000 is the principal. Harry borrows 1,200 from a bank with 8% simple interest per year. How much will he have to pay back total in 2 years? So this is the formula. Then get the value of the principal, rate, and time. Substitute. Then calculate first 1,200 times 0.08 is equals to 96. Then 96 times 2 is equals to 192. To get the total payback, just add principal and the interest earned, and the total payback should be 1,392.